You too. What's good? What's going on? It's your boy Icy from Icy Films Production. You feel me? You dig? You heard? Yes, sir. In today's video, we got a little car meet we finna pull up to. Currently, right now, it is 4:46. Car meet starts at 5. I'm just going to check out the cars. It's supposed to be like an American Muscle type of car meet. I'm pulling up on the mini bike. Shout out to Macon Tay, I think that's his name. We finna go ahead, go to this car meet, and we're gonna check out some of the cars, try to see if we could get some information from, like, you know, the owners of these cars, what they have done to it, what they plan to do to it, you know what I'm saying? And we finna make sure this is a real good video, so stay tuned. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you're new, make sure you subscribe so you can get, so you know when I post a new video. Also hit the post notification bell. Make sure you like, and also comment down below some other types of videos you guys want me to do. So with no further ado, it's your boy Icy from Icy Films Production, and we finna go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna wait and see, cause I don't see any cars as of right now except for that red Camaro, but you know, I could be wrong too. Yeah, hopefully people start showing up, so I'll pick the camera back up when hopefully it's either a different location or it's people start showing up. Yeah. This was the second meet. We kind of got here a little late, but hopefully y'all can see me. Can y'all? Yeah, we got there a little late. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Shit, hold on. That's a
Look, that's a Lamborghini. That never quit. That never quit.
Hell yeah.
Hey, let's go to the exit. Everybody leave. A lot of folks leave, but let's go to the exit. Or do you want to stay by the exit? Because a lot of folks leave and then everybody tell them to get back. They got a pee.
I mean, they still got a good amount.
Oh, I got you the bathroom so bad, I don't know where to go. Oh, shit. Drinking that root beer.
Yeah. Big old turbo. Texas. All that. That's crazy. That's a mirror right there.
Yeah. Let me hear it.
YouTube, thank you so much for watching the video, and if you made it through this far through the video, thank you very much. I just want to put a shout out to GA CarSuspect, or East Making Tay on his Facebook. I want to thank that man so much for even making this meet possible. He was also able to help me out and get me to a whole nother meet that I didn't even know was happening. So shout out to him. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna leave his YouTube link down in the description below. But like I said, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, if you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below if you're new, and hit the post notification bell so you can get a notification every time I do go ahead and make videos like this. And also comment down below what other types of videos you guys also want me to go ahead and make. So it's your boy Icy Mice Films Production, and I guess I'll just see y'all in the next video. Out.